Is your 2012 to 2017 Toyota Camry key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. This video shows you how to easily replace it yourself, saving time and money. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. This process works for all Camry models from 2012 to 2017. The fob typically uses a single CR2032 lithium coin cell battery with an average lifespan of 1 to 2 years, depending on usage. Before you start, gather your tools. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, which you can find at most drugstores or online retailers for $2 to $5. A small flathead screwdriver or a butter knife will help you open the fob. Optionally, have a small Phillips screwdriver on hand. Ensure you have the correct battery and a clean workspace. Wear gloves to avoid skin contact with battery acid, rare but possible. Locate the small notch on the side of your Camry's key fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the notch and gently twist to pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Work your way around the seam until the fob is open. Avoid using metal keys as they can cause scratches. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Use the screwdriver to gently pop the old battery out of its housing. Take note of how it sits to ensure correct placement of the new battery. Place the new CR2032 battery into the housing, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, matching the original orientation. Make sure the battery is securely in place. Incorrect polarity can damage the fob. Align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Press firmly around the edges to ensure a secure closure. You should hear a click as the two halves join. Test the buttons, lock, unlock, panic, to confirm they are working. After replacing the battery, test all the buttons on your key fob. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. If it still doesn't work, the issue might be a faulty circuit board, costing $50 to $150 to replace at a dealership. In rare cases, the fob may need reprogramming via dealership or OBD2 scanner. After replacing the key fob battery, dispose of the old CR2032 battery responsibly. These lithium batteries contain hazardous materials and should be taken to a recycling center rather than thrown in the trash. Improper disposal contributes to about 5% of global electronic waste, according to EPA guidelines. Looking ahead, automotive key technology is evolving rapidly. A major trend is the shift from physical key fobs to digital solutions driven by smartphone integration, like Toyota's MyT app. By 2025, over 40% of new vehicle sales include digital key features. Battery-operated fobs are expected to decline significantly by 2030, with rechargeable or energy-harvesting fobs emerging to reduce environmental impact and maintenance needs.